Hi Capricorn, this is your next 10 days reading. I'm going to take the day of today, that is 3rd of November to the 12th of November. I am going to look at this time period for you to see what's happening in your general life. This is a general life reading for the sun sign of Capricorn, the tropical sun sign. The moon signs can also look at this and take out something of resonance. People who have prominent Capricorn in their charts and who have been following Capricorn readings can benefit from this as well. So let's see what's on your mind right now. What's your crowning energy? Your energy is of Knight of Wands. You want to make some change. Okay, before this I had taken out an angel card anyway. So your mind card is telling me that you are thinking of a change. You are thinking of going towards something, making a trip, number one, or changing a job, changing your line in your relationship, changing or getting out of one and going towards another relationship. It could be that. So whatever it is, you want to make a successful move towards something for your own self. This is an energy of commitment to yourself and not committing to others. This is about maybe committing for some time ki, thinking that let's test this, let's go towards it and test this. So this kind of energy is here. Lot of passion is here, of course. If it is love situation, lot of passion. You are going towards someone with passion, but you don't have a long term in mind. That's what I see. So what you are wanting to fulfill is your monetary wishes, your abundant, your feelings of abundance. You want to have abundance. Basically many of you are doing this Knight of Wands movement for your money, for your well-being, for your abundance, for your comfort. That's what you are doing. So most of you will be making a change in your job in the near future, or it is on your mind, and you are looking at a situation of appreciating what you have done so far, how much experience you have, and what kind of life you want to lead. So you want to lead a rich and luxurious life. That is what I am seeing. So the angel card that came out for you, I usually used to read it say 4 or 5 months back. I always used to read an angel card for you. This time also I felt from within that I should read out a card, but someone had pointed out that we come here to see tarot reading, we don't come here to see you reading out something. So maybe that person didn't even check out the whole reading, and they just thought that I read out cards. So anyway, so what has come out for you from the angel card is employment change. So this is a message for many of you who are thinking of changing your action, your course. So your career path is leading you in higher direction with positive changes to support your dreams, priorities, passions, and life purpose. Trust that these changes will help you release the old and welcome the new. You are being supported each step of the way. So why the Knight of Wands is coming, why the employment change has come? Let's see what was happening in the recent past. In the recent past, you have gone through a bit of shock. You have gone through a bit of change, shocking, sudden things which happened to you, because a tower is coming here. So you felt this energy, this is the Scorpio season and Mars is here. So maybe you felt something shocking happening in the recent past, in the month of October or September, October, and it crumbled your ego, pride, crumbled your set systems, crumbled your job or a relationship. So this happened, and you saw changes happening. You saw the tower that was made up of things that were could be shaken very easily has happened. It has happened. So one shake, two shakes, and it went down. So it was not something of importance. So why importance in the sense, if you see it in a bigger picture, of course it is important, of course it is part of life. You invested in something, you gave your effort in something, and now you are finding that that structure has crumbled totally and you have nothing. So you are feeling, maybe because of you are trying to find faults within yourself. You are trying to feel that, despite the tower moment you have, somehow you are linked to it, somehow you are still stuck in it. So the tower has happened, the release has happened, but you are still in your mind, you are still thinking about it, old memories, past problems, past things, past good times, past bad times. You are in it, you are totally in it. So you are feeling stuck, you are feeling extremely miserable. So some of you went through an illness as well. It was a sudden illness and you are feeling really miserable. So money problem, money loss, business loss, job loss, relationship loss, or some aspect of your life got a rude shock and you are feeling miserable about it and you are feeling really stuck in it. You are really stuck in it all the time, thinking about it. But I am happy that right now you are thinking of dusting your clothes, getting on top of the horse and going towards someone else. Something else. Someone else came out of my mouth. So going towards something else. So whatever it is, you want to be single, you want to achieve your goals, you want to be do something on your own. Partnership broke down in business for some of you, partnership in marriage, or love situation, dating situation, something happened, job situation, some association, some deal didn't come through, whatever it is. So the recent past is looking bad, you went through real trouble. So now what's happening? Four of Wands, things coming back to normal, stability coming back to you. Justice is happening for you. Justice is favorable because it is not in the reverse. So Four of Wands means balance. Four of Wands means stability. Four of Wands means back to normal. Four of Wands means sometimes happiness, sometimes rich reward, sometimes promotion, sometimes new job. Something is culminating in your favor. Justice means that good results in a law and order situation for some of you, court situation for some of you, new house for some of you, some marriage for some of you, engagement for some of you. So you are coming out of trouble, my dear Capricorns. So right now in the present moment you are out of that trouble. You are getting into a situation which is in balance, which is going to serve you, favorably. The universal justice will be done. Karma situation looks good. Your karma will be good. You will get the rich results. That's what I am saying. You will get those dividends which you were looking for. So job happening for some of you, really getting that call letter for which you were waiting and you were thinking it will never happen. I have gone through so much, nothing happens in my life. Something is happening right now as I speak. So angels are saying that temperance solution will be reached. There will be a compromise, there can be healing, there can be a good situation, there can be negotiation, there can be something which will give you hope and healing. So getting out of troubles, getting out of bad situation in health, getting out of bad situation in business, getting out of money crunch, getting out of money loss, getting out of job loss. So great situation happening. You will feel your Nine of Cups. Ultimately, I am liberated. You will feel this. You will feel that ultimately I got it. I got it. I am feeling good. So you will get it. You will get it, my dear friends. What's happening in the future? In the future, there was a rash person around you. There was a person who was misleading. A person who came in and went out. This person was rude, brash, very unpleasant, very immature. This person, this Knight of Swords reversed, is causing conflict. This person will cause conflict. That is what I see. With this person there can be conflict again. This person thinks that they know everything. This person sometimes, lead you on very fast in talking, very fast in making decisions, but this person is not very intelligent. Not very intelligent. This person is a good communicator or maybe a smart communicator, but this person is only thinking about themselves. So they can, let you be confronted with an uncertain situation. That is what I am seeing. They can, lead you to shadows. They can lead you to situations of illusions. You have gotten out of it. The justice has been done. Cause and effect, truth has come out. But this person can again take you into an uncertain situation. So beware of that. Conflict is definite with this person, or conflict can happen again. There can be situations of obstacles on your path. Take it as it resonates. So there can be disturbance, conflict, argument, uncertainty, fear. Because of this, reversed Knight of Swords situation. So this situation is unclear. This situation is very, fast. Something happens, something creates problem again in your life. But angels are saying that money will be found, balance will be found by you. Your past deeds or your karma will help you to, get yourself, a safety, a reciprocation, a kind of, giving and taking. Maybe you have to give someone some money. They will immediately, the moment they see you, on a path of success, they can ask money from you. Or, a relationship comes back, but this relationship again gets into a trouble. So moon situation is arising, but Six of Pentacles is showing that you will be able to balance it. That's what I see, because of proper reciprocation and because Temperance is here. So it is taking you out of irritations. So Four of Cups in the outcome in reverse. So this means that the opportunities that you lost because of someone or something, the opportunities that were lost, the passivity that you were showing is going to change now. It is going to change now. A decision will be taken towards a choice or lover. So there will be a choice, very important choice in your life which will be made. The Lover's card is coming. So it could be because you want to, go towards a love for regarding which you were showing passivity. So that this decision will be made keeping the broader picture in mind. So there is a Queen of Swords energy. So who is coming as, reverse Knight of Swords as well. So either two air signs are around you, Libra, Gemini, Aquarius. So whoever it is, a choice will be made towards this person. You will try to be active with this person or take that opportunity. That's what I am seeing. Three of Wands means that you are no longer waiting for something. You are deciding. You are going to decide on something to get yourself out of this, Eight of Swords that was coming in, the situation of stickiness, misery, Five of Pentacles. So you will make a decision. So if it is a money situation, you are going to, go towards someone, take that opportunity, think logically, think the bigger picture and make a choice. Regarding love, it is the same thing which you are going to do. Maybe go back to, a compromise, maybe start acting. So Seven of Wands, where you were passive, you are going to act. Where you were unsure of what decision to make, you are making a decision to take yourself out of misery. So Seven of Wands situation is showing me that it will be a struggling circumstance in the month of November. But the challenges that are coming to you, you will be defensive and you will be able to, ward off those challenges, and in the end you are going to win. That is what I am seeing. So advice is, be the King of Swords or deal with the King of Swords. That is someone who is clear, someone who has maturity, someone who can give you justice. Talk to that person. You can get your Ten of Cups. So this person has to grow up, or someone who is around you, as long as they are not realizing that, or you are not realizing logically, head over heart decision for some of you regarding the lovers. That is what I am seeing. So to get your 10 of cups, you need to be very, very cutting. You have to cut those extra ties. You have to cut people out of your life, cut the insecurities out of your life to complete a happiness. That is what I am seeing. So Page of Swords energy is saying that you will be curious, you will be wanting to do something, you will be wanting to communicate, or a communication is coming towards you, but there is a delay of some kind, or there are illusions, or bitty chatty kind of energy, wherein angels are asking you to have proper look at the depth of the situation and go towards your 10 of cups. So if you have liked this reading or understood this reading, please like and subscribe. If you have something to say to me, write it in the comment box. People who have problems in their lives and they want to discuss it with me, they can contact me through the comment box for a personal reading. I give personal readings to people. They can contact me through the comment box, and I will tell them how to book my readings. And people who are missing out my readings, please do like and subscribe obviously, and hit the notification bell so that you get to know when I am uploading your readings. So that's it. Bye bye.